back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to auto reply messages on WhatsApp. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply auto reply messages on WhatsApp, all you gotta do is simply go to business app of WhatsApp, that is called WhatsApp Business app. So once you go to WhatsApp Business, you can simply use it to simply have a automated reply, as in like you can simply enable it. However, as a feature, it isn't available on standard WhatsApp only. So if you go to your normal WhatsApp, then you cannot find this feature. But if you have the primary auto WhatsApp Business app, you can have this feature. You can simply go to the business tool section and find the away message section right over there. You can hit on the enable it option and customize your message. You can set the schedule to always, custom, or outside business hours and choose recipients and save your settings. So this way you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.